All right, boys, so I bought a new truck. I'm not gonna lie. This video is gonna kind of have two parts in it. First part is kind of going over the truck and everything we got there, and then we're gonna have another part going on about a build that we have. So the first part, I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. All right, so we went ahead and picked up a 98 Tacoma. It's a very clean truck. We're gonna go ahead and go over the inside first. Everything in the interior looks mint. I have no complaints about the interior. The seats look good. It's got the rear seats in the back. It's the extended cab because of the seats. We're going to show you the buttons here in just a second. The buttons, there's no fading in the buttons. It's got heat, it's got AC, all the words are still there. No cracks in the cluster or the dash. Steering wheel is great, and so is the center console. The thing's it's a very clean truck. I'm not complaining about the quality of the truck, not one bit. Now here shortly, I'm going to go ahead and show you the engine bay and the bed and the front and all that. One thing I do want to note is once we do get to the bed of the truck, you're going to see what I'm talking about here shortly. But I don't like the bed cover. I'm not a big fan of the plastic ones. I would prefer to have a spray-in bed cover or bed liner, as most people call them. So we'll be probably pulling that one out very soon. So be looking for that video. As far as paint and everything else goes, there's not many dents or scratches. The paint is faded and the clear coat is kind of coming off. So those are two issues that we are going to have to address. But everything else is fine. There's one dent in the tailgate that you will see. It's right under the handle that you can actually see, and that's the most noticeable thing on the car. But apart from that, and the wheels, glad I showed you that. The wheels are in bad shape as well. I probably will be getting new wheels for it. I don't plan on going crazy. I don't plan on putting anything big on it, but I will probably be getting those wheels refinished. All right, boys, so I'm sure most of you are wondering what the whole plan of this thing is going to be, and right now I can't really tell you what the plan is going to be. I just picked it up in a really pretty good deal, especially with the way the market is today. I got it for a pretty decent price. I'm not really going to speak on the price just for privacy reasons, but as far as everything goes, it was actually a really good deal. Right now, I don't really know what I'm going to plan with it. Like I said, one thing I'm not super happy about is the wheels. That's one thing that I'm going to have to address. I don't plan on going big or putting anything crazy on there. I like to do some kind of like stock wheels, but just on this. I don't know what I'm going to do. They definitely need to be refinished or something because they look pretty rough. The second thing that I don't really like is the bed cover. I like the spray-in bed covers a little bit better. I don't like the ones that kind of just sit in there because water can get under them and rust, and they can cause a lot more problems than you'd realize. So I would like to get that fixed or just do something with that. And I like my windows to be tinted while I'm riding around, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll probably do something along the lines with tint. So we're gonna have a few videos on this thing. I don't really plan on doing anything crazy at all. For as clean as it is, I don't wanna go away from that just because of how hard these trucks are to find and how expensive they're coming. So I think I'm gonna keep it as stock as I can. That's the plan for now. We don't know how that's gonna go, but that's the plan for now. What else? Apart from that, I don't really have any complaints. The truck runs good, AC works, heat works. All the buttons are in great condition. All the writing on the buttons, that's in really good condition as well. I have other than that, there's like no mechanical issues. So I have no big complaints. The few that I have are just like cosmetic complaints. Another thing is paint. I do need to find somebody that can work with paint pretty well. I could probably just get that cut and buffed and it'd probably come back to life pretty well, but I have no idea what I'm doing in terms of that, so I'll probably just leave that to somebody that knows what they're doing and try it on something that's not quite as rare to come by. So that's kind of the plan for now. I hope you guys kind of are looking to forward to this little project we got. Nothing's big gonna come up of it, so don't really expect crazy content from it. It's just gonna be kind of knick-knack stuff for the time being. So yeah, now that I've got like kind of all that addressed, now we're gonna go into the second topic of this video, which is the Miata motor. All right, so from the last time y'all saw it, this thing has actually come quite a long ways. We've pretty much got the pistons back in, they're gapped. The bearings are cleared where they're supposed to be. We got the head back on. So pretty much we got to time it. I got to torque down the head studs. I bought some ARP head studs. You can't really see them, but bought some ARP head studs. We got those coming in. And we bought some bigger injectors. We'll kind of go over all the knick-knack stuff a little bit later, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip over to the video of us reinstalling everything and just getting to this point. All right, boys, well, I hope you guys are excited. We're gonna have some content coming soon. It's kind of hard with how much I work and just getting everything going and content coming in. It gets a little tricky, so just bear with me. We are gonna have more content coming out here shortly, hopefully. That's the goal at least. I'm hoping to kind of pick it up towards the end of the year. The year's definitely not went as much as I wanted to, but we do have stuff coming. So I hope you guys do enjoy. Thank you for watching today's video. We didn't really get into much, but hopefully these next videos are gonna be pretty action-packed. So I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.